£1,000? I won't pay it £1,000. Oh, hi. Yeah. Just reading about the latest products. I'm looking at these. These could save me 0.1 of a gram. I reckon that could really make a massive difference to my Strava times. I might even get a king of the mountain. So I've been nominated to present to the world my favourite upgrade for mountain biking. And wow, no, I don't know what to say really. I really don't know what to say. So I do think people get a little bit kind of obsessed about the best upgrade, you know, well, what's the best thing I can get. So get it, you know, nobody wants to waste the money, but I think sometimes people perhaps get a little bit overwrought about getting the right bit of kit. So I'm out taking the dog for a walk, just trying to get the brain going on this whole upgrades thing, hopefully without falling over. So not only have we got lockdown to contend with, but we've got this. Oh, that's grim. What I've decided is, I'm giving it too much thought. That basically, you want things that make it easier for you and better. So, I reckon the ones I'm going to go for. SPD pedals, love them. I know a lot of people think you're mad and, you know, they swear. They're probably not as trendy as flat pedals, I don't know. But flat pedals, yeah, never really seen eye to eye with that idea. I just love that control, that power that you get from SPDs. So definitely they're in the top three. Dropper posts number 2. They just give you that bit of control, don't they? You know, when you need it, when you want to get that cell out of the way, it's instant, and that makes a difference. On the trail, it definitely makes it more, I'd say, actually safer. The other thing, number 1, I'm going for tubeless. Yes, there's a bit of control, extra grip, there's that aspect, but I do think it's, for me, and it's not very exciting, is it? It's like an accountant's answer, but just the money they save. You know, it's just, that really has been such a bonus. So there you go, that's mine. Number 1, tubeless, because it's cheap. So there we have it. Nothing controversial, nothing extreme. They're my choices. You know what I mean? Of course you do. Now, can we get back to some riding, please? Whew. Oh, these look really cool, don't they? Yeah. Do you know something? I think these might be worth buying.